How to copy and paste audio in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and import the file you want to edit. You can simply drag and drop the file into the workspace or use the file menu and select open. Once your file is loaded, find the section of the audio you want to copy. Now, highlight the part you want to copy by clicking and dragging the cursor over it. After the audio is selected, you can right-click on the highlighted area and choose copy or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, place the cursor where you want to paste the copied audio. This can be at the beginning, middle, or end of the track, depending on where you want the audio to go. After positioning your cursor, right-click and select paste or press Ctrl+P to insert the audio. You can repeat this process as many times as you want, pasting different sections in different places. To make sure everything sounds right, use the playback feature to listen to the changes you have made. And that's it. Now you know how to copy and paste audio in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.